Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce car media system special for Android 8.0 oreo system special for Ford Kuga 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, here is a big box. So big box because include the dash kit. Then check. You can check the device with good condition in the package. Let me show. This dash kit. And this. And DVD player. This is 7-inch touch screen. Okay. Let me show the harness and the dash kits at first. Let me remove. Okay, let me show this include the dash kits. You can check this dash kit for the special Ford Kuga front panel. You can check this right and the left side and the back. Okay. You can check this dash kit on the top of car radio and the back. Okay, so big. Side. Okay. Let me show the harness. This is a harness special for Kuga. And you can check this power connect head units. This you can check canvas box. And connectors, sorry. And this. Okay, this is special harness for Kuga. It comes with remote controller and this speaker. GPS antenna and 2 USB cable. The external microphone. And original USB. Screw. This radio antenna. Okay, this is audio cable. This is subwoofer. And video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio for front and rear, left and right. Okay. Okay, let me show the head unit. You can check this special head unit. It's power, fuse. This fuse, power and fuse, and the radio antenna, Wi-Fi antenna. These connectors. You can check. Please remove 2 screws before install, because it's fixed for fixed DVD in the Shaping's DVD player. Okay. Let me show the screen. Okay, you can check this drama agent. Okay, this screw is special screw for Kuga. This SD card slot, microphone, IR, reset hole, and the USB. Okay, you can check back. This is USB. Okay. This 2 connector. You have to connect this connector and this connector. This GPS antenna. GPS antenna. Okay. Let me power. Let me connect. Okay, you can check. Connect this connector and this white connector, black and white connector. Okay, let me Let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, the head unit will be started. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, you can check the Android screen started. It's built-in optical fast response. Okay, it supports S1NC. You can check. Let me open it. This menu, this microphone, call, phone call, and music. Okay. It's built in the control settings. You can check the control settings, temperature, turn light sets, and other sets in this app. Race sensor. The warning tone. Okay. You can install the wallpaper from installer. This is SD card slot, microphone IR, receptacle, and USB. Set the wallpaper, home screen. Let me back the home. Okay, already installed the wallpaper. Let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and about motion. You can check model is PX5 octa-core. Rack chip Android version is 8.0 oreo. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.